I can just move that one. It's tight, but I move it. Intake's not going yet. Okay, where's the... You got some filthy spark plugs to use?
Mm-hmm. They're on the bike. Those new ones.
Where they at? Get in the motor. I don't like open motors. Crap falls in there. You don't know about it. Let's see, there's probably some special socket for this stupid ass sensor, I bet. Let's see what I got for a special socket to use. I'm sure I got something laying around here I can use. None of those. How about this one? There we go. Special socket. Yeah, there it goes. Gotta go that position there. It got trimmed down for some reason. The problem is no way of putting a darn thing in here. There we go. You screw it in by hand, then you can put a wrench in it. Alright, breaker bar will fit. So you have the official Harley tools you need. So, you know, maybe fins in the way. Maybe that isn't the official tool. There, one in. It's tight. Came out. Must be the official tool. There we go. Wasn't the official tool, it's close to it. Okay, so we're waiting for this one to bleed still. Cannot bleed that. That one moves. So go ahead and put this together. Let's get these nice fancy gaskets here. Appear to be the same in both ways. Oh, let's see. No, these are different. Okay, so we've got a curved side and a straight side. It does matter. Yep. You almost caught me on that one again. See, this side here is straight. This side over here is curved. Gotta make sure you do it. See, a gasket looks like it's going to work over here, and then it doesn't work at all over here. So, gotta be up on these tricks. What do you got? Ooh, look at those. Burning good. Whose are they?
Harley Davidson, buddy.
Harley Davidson. You got some crappy ass Harley plugs. Look at that. Did you actually get that name on there? Does it glow in the dark too?
They're special made.
That's a 6R12 something. We're not going to use those yet. Okay, which cover do you want on the front or the rear? Which one are we working on? This rear. Which one's rear? Which one's front? Let me pick it.
No, I believe the rear is this one.
This one has a scratch on it, and it's filthy in the middle. That one's filthy in the middle too, and clean in the middle. No scratch though. It's got fungi on there, but no scratch. So we're going to put this one over here. And then this one here, you're going to have to actually clean your bike at some point, because we're going to put the scratches in the middle.
Gotcha.
There, see.
With the gasket.
High-tech stuff here. We don't screw around here. Put the gasket where it belongs out. So they eliminated the gaskets under the bolts. Yeah, we're missing a bolt. Did you steal one? Oh, I saw that. You were trying to get that one. You didn't think I was going to find that one, did you? So how's all these bolts going, do you know? For the air cleaner?
Yeah. You want the air cleaner now?
No, the adapter was around here somewhere. What happened to Pete? I laid it somewhere. Is it back on the rack over there?
Let me check the peak.
Let's go the other way, it's easier.
Why do you want to move?
No, I don't want to move. Here's my 1/4" torque bolt here, even though these are 5/16 hardware. Now this is going to slide down as we torque it because it's going to be on an angle. So I start in the middle. I want this one to tighten first. Yeah, that's tight. And that one. That one. That one. Click, torque. See, I never ever do anything. Click, torque. I have my own torque I use for everything. It's called tighten the piss out of it. Moving good. Oh, I move it. I can move it. It moved. There it goes. Okay, we have movement. Okay, now we can turn the motor over and see if these go clunk. Okay, so we take our crank turning device here. The rocker ones are going up and down. Right here. There it goes. Okay, appears to be working. Good deal. We can put these on now. Like this. I didn't Loctite these either. I don't know why you need to. Are you supposed to Loctite these? I didn't Loctite them. I don't see why you need to, really. That's the motor mount. Did you lose the bolt? Nope, you got them both. You're missing the washer, though. Did you drop the bolt and lose the washer?
Possibly that's what just happened.
I need to go back and look for it. I thought we had the washer before. We're going to need it. You got the flashlight?
Yep.
Where'd my wrench go? Oh, it's right here. See, I spin it down with a 1/4 drive. Then I use the Allen with a torque wrench. Get everything kind of started first. Okay. Center things up a little bit. Kind of a crappy design Harley did here. Never did understand why they did this angle boss thing. They put all the holes so it's nice and even up centered, and then when you torque it, it slides down. You got a big gap. Stupid. Look at a big gap here, see? When you first start, it's on center, but it slides down when you torque it, and you get this big step in here. Doesn't make sense to me. It's not like it's going to stay put. You're tightening on an angle. It's going to slide. So you go torque, torque. Now the torque is for 1/4 inch bolts on an Evo. That's what it's set for. These are 5/16 bolts. Alright, those are done. Didn't find the air cleaner yet, did he? What did I do with it? Here's our box of hardware. I had that chrome part sitting here someplace. I don't know what happened to it. This motor mount was already on the motor. I don't know why they did that. Here. You'd think this would be in the way to put it in the bike. We'll just put that in there loosely because I think it's going to be in the way. Find it?
Sign, no sir.
It's around here somewhere. I had it out.
What the washer?
No, the bolt, the thing that went across here. Bracket. It's laying here. I didn't see it on the rack, but it's got to be nearby. I had the damn thing out. I don't know what I did with it, but.
Let me look around there.
So you lost your washer. Where's the washer at?
I think Tatro got it in his pocket.
There's a thick washer that's missing. Where's all the bolts and washers at? You looking here? If all else fails, look in the darn thing here. There's a washer. Too thin though. Exhaust nuts and crap. Here's some breather bolts. Did you lose your washer? I don't see no washer. Lost the washer. Now what's that chrome thing I had out earlier? We were looking at it. It went someplace. Not laying here, not laying there, not there. Found it. Yeah, well you lost a washer. We need a thick 5/16 washer. It was back there. You dropped it someplace between here and there. Those are hard to get washers like that. You're only gonna find them things in like a junk washer box. Miscellaneous junk. That's better than nothing. That's not the right one. Too big. We'll find it in a couple weeks. Laying at the head or something on the floor. I've seen them thick like this. This is just a grade 8 washer. It's better than nothing, if it'll fit. I don't know if it'll fit. Hey, it fits. Perfect. We'll use this one. There you go. If all else fails, use whatever you can find. So you gotta make the motor as heavy as you possibly can before you can carry it around. So I'll leave that loose. Okay, now the push rod clips need to go in here. Have to be these things. So the trick to doing this is you need a medium screwdriver, straight blade. You take the covers and push them into the O-rings. Then you take the upper one and push it up into the O-ring on top. Same on that one. You take a little crappy little short clip. You lay it up in there. You put your thumb on it. And you wedge this in like that. Then you rotate them both together a little bit. That kind of center itself up. Well, now you got the light here. Jeez. Too late now. I already got the one of them in there already. Do you know how to do this part?
No.
You got to shove the upper in there, the inner tube into the upper hole.
Okay.
You got your little crappy clip, goes in there like that. You put your thumb on top, take your screwdriver, like that, and shove it in. Something's not right with that one, so let's do the next one. My guess is it's not up in there all the way. It appears to be up in there all the way. Must be hitting the cylinder fin or something. Try it again. Ready? Get bottomed out.
Why? Because you haven't got oil?
I don't know, something's wrong. It's bottomed on something. It's a hard stop. to wedge it down a little bit. Get on these fins somehow. Easier said than done, obviously. See if it goes down that far. So my guess it's not in there all the way. It's popped up in there. So you take it and rotate it. See if there's a big pop. If there's a big pop, you know it wasn't in all the way. It appears to be working all right. I don't know what's up with that. Appears to be in there all the way like it's supposed to be. So my guess is I was hitting on the cylinder fin on the back because it's right next to the cylinder. So the cover dropped down until it hit the fin and it stopped. The other ones didn't have a problem. I'm blinding with that light. It's reflecting right in my eyeballs. I got delicate eyeballs.